FF Group presents. If you have a project with LPR MMR software, you can increase its efficiency in managing of traffic data with our solution. FF Data Factory Data Processing Platform with Camera Edge Sensor. Starting today, integrators can get breakthrough opportunities. The customer can configure an individual business logic in one day without a programmer. FF Data Factory can easily be changed without investment of development time. It's simple software reconfiguration. Just share your project needs with our manager. We'll show you a preview of your own new business logic. Once you confirm the preview, we'll send you the text file. Then simply upload the file and enjoy your new software. Click the button to order your own business logic.